to another Tomboy Beauty. My name's Amy Harber. You can find me on Twitter, Instagram, and YouTube at the following. We are unboxing the Sephora Play November box. The theme is Merry and Bright, and it comes with a holiday survival pocket guide, which looks so much fun. These products look fun too. So let's get into them. So hey y'all, got the Sephora Play. These bags are great for travel, by the way. Put stuff in there that you think are gonna leak. So the theme is Merry and Bright. It's got a holiday survival guide because let's be honest, we're already having holiday parties. So we have party-proof lips, how bold you should go, how to keep the conversation flowing. We've got 5-minute office makeover so that you can go from day to night. Are you debating whether to go to the party or not? Use this handy dandy should you go to the party guide to determine whether you should go to the party. And definitely, if you're taking the MCAT the next morning, maybe don't go to the party. And then, of course, we have the 50 play points to use in the store. There we go. Beauty Insider points. And then we have all the awesome products. So, you're going to want to set the mood with the Mercier translucent setting powder. It's a silky sheer powder. Kind of got a little gold tinge to it. Give you that holiday sparkle. Woohoo! Then we've got, you can be a blur connoisseur with Erborian CC cream. It's a skin perfector. BB creams, CC creams. I like to wear them under my makeup. That's just my little life hack. You can do what you want. Some people wear them just instead of foundation. Then we've got, one of my favorite brands. I don't even use a lot of hair products, but you know what I like? Amika dry shampoo. That's right. Give it a little spritz. Hair massage. Soak up. Dry shampoo will be your savior. That's right. That way, especially when you're traveling. If I'm only going home for like 3 or 4 days, I don't even pack shampoo. I just use a little dry shampoo. Weekend getaway done. Then we have Grande lips. It's called Desert Peak. Okay, that's interesting. I like it when they have the little tip brush because you can use it as a liner. It's in a terracotta matte finish. There we go, kind of like that. There we go. Then we've got Clinique Pep Start Eye Cream. Now, here's what you don't know about eye cream, or maybe you do. You can actually use it right here on the 11 lines. You can use it right here. Not just for eyes. And then finally, Juliette has a gun, not a perfume. I've had this one before in other boxes. Ooh, that lip stuff makes your lips tingly. Ooh, interesting. Anyway, Juliette has a gun, not a perfume. I actually like it. It's woody, it's earthy, it smells great. There we go. It's a fresh, clean scent. And now I'm going to be Merry and Bright. Follow me, all those places, and stay beautiful. Happy holidays. Yeah, welcome